Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Realme phone. Friends, you have connected any Bluetooth speaker and friends now you want to disconnect. So friends, how can you disconnect? Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting guys first of all. Then guys scroll. Then guys you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys. Click on your Bluetooth setting. So which speaker guys you have connected guys you want to disconnect. So when right side this icon guys you can see in your Realme phone guys, tap here and so you can see your disconnect option. So we will tap on disconnect. After disconnect we cannot use guys. If we use, so then we will have to only click, then it will connect automatic. So like that guys you can disconnect your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic.